Being successful with a gut is unacceptable, especially as a success-driven Black man. I'm about to break down how I help these professional brothers lose 30 pounds, 50 pounds, 100 pounds, 150 pounds, 200 pounds in as quickly as 90 days. See, my brother, we live in a world that doesn't love us. We live in a world that doesn't support us. But that is no excuse, because you have to support you. How can you do that if you are not operating at your very best, at your peak? Let me guess, you're probably the only brother in your corporate office or inside of your position or on your floor. You're probably one of the only men out of shape walking around with this gut. Let me guess, you probably have high blood pressure. You're the last person to take your shirt off on the beach. Matter of fact, you just avoid the beaches entirely. When are you going to fix this? Next year, January 1st, next summer, next week, we're gonna start another cleanse. You're gonna hire the trainer you've been saying you're gonna hire. You're gonna finally start that program with your wife. When are you going to fix this? The reality is, if you've been struggling with your weight for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, brother, you are currently on a trajectory to never fix this. 44% of us Black men are overweight. 37% of us are obese. We 2 times more likely to have high blood pressure. 70% of us are type 2 diabetics, all because of the weight. This does not run in your family. The only thing that runs in our culture is food, soul food. We grew up eating chips, candy, cookies, pop, literally shopping out of corner stores. But the difference is we had our sport, we had our extracurriculars. We was outside all day, every day, running, moving, expending energy. But now we older. Now we in our 30s, 40s, and 50s with these sedentary jobs, which has drained us of all of our motivation, yet we are still eating the same way we did when we were kids. You lack discipline. That is the problem. You've managed to become disciplined with your career, especially if you are a successful brother. If you're in the corporate space, tech professional, lawyer, healthcare, doctor, you disciplined with your work, you're disciplined with your family, you're disciplined with everything else besides your health. And it is not only costing you life, it's costing you self-confidence and self-worth. You have the resources to fix this, yet you haven't, because you don't have what we had when we were kids, when we were growing up, when we were in our late teens. A coach. That is what you need. My name is Coach Ronnie, and I have been coaching high-performing Black men for the last 10 years, helping brothers lose anywhere from 30 pounds to 200 pounds in a year or less. I help brothers lose 30 to 50 pounds in as quickly as 90 days with these 3 extreme principles. Principle number 1 is exercise coaching. I'm not just here to tell you how to work out. I am here to help you align physical fitness and movement with your identity. You have to have the identity of a man that moves. People have to start to look at you as that brother's always in the gym. That brother's always outside walking or running. That brother's always working out. You have to align it with your identity, because if it doesn't become a part of your identity, it's never going to become a part of your life. Therefore, you're never going to permanently fix this weight problem. Number 2, control over food and drink. If you do not master control of what you are putting into your body is never going to look and operate the way that you want it to. If you are snacking and you don't understand why, if you binge eat because you are stressed, if you binge drink and can't stop at 1 or 2 whiskeys, you have a lack of control over food. And I am going to be coaching you to master control and master temptation over food and drink. And finally, number 3, Accountability. You don't have anyone holding you to the standard that you're being held to operate at work. Hold you to the standard that you're being held to operate at home. Your wife and kids hold you to the standard. Your team holds you to a standard. Your KPIs hold you to a standard. I am now going to be holding you to a standard. Your body is a business. So I ask you, my brother, what are you marketing? I am going to be holding you to the same standard of money and family that you're being held to, but no one's holding you to this standard with your health, which is why you are struggling to fix your weight. Over the next 90 days, you're going to go through a premium coaching experience with me personally. This isn't one of those things where I'm going to hand you off to a team member. You are going to be communicating with me every single day to help you fix your weight and build unbreakable discipline. What I need you to do right now is submit an application for my coaching to see if you qualify. See, here's the thing. This is not for anyone and everyone. I work with success-driven men. I work with men who want more out of life. If this is a life or death situation, my brother, you need to consult with your physician. I work with brothers who really want to get into elite shape. When you look at my results below, you see the massive transformations that I've had over the years, helping brothers go from having a foot-long gut to a completely flat stomach and even abs in as quickly as 90 days. My coaching is guaranteed. If I don't help you lose at least 30 pounds in 90 days, it's free. I put my money where my mouth is. So if you are serious and you want to get in the best shape of your life, click the link, submit an application. If you qualify, you and I are going to have a personal coaching call to figure out why you've been struggling with your weight, what all you've tried to fix this, overcome the roadblocks, create a personalized plan, implement it, execute it over the next 90 days, and get you in the best shape of your life. Let's get it, my brother. Discipline over everything. Let's go.